Is your Facebook account suspended or permanently disabled? If yes, the video for today is going to be interesting because I'm going to show you 2 or 3 methods that you could utilize to try and see if you could get your account reinstated again. If you're watching my video for today, I'm very much sure your account is suspended or disabled. I'm sorry about that, but let's try and see how we could help you through my video for today. Now, the first thing is, when your account is suspended, the first method to try and see if you could unban your account or unsuspend your account is to simply log in to your account. Once you log in, you get a prompt to appeal the decision. And you may have also received an email from Facebook telling you that your account was suspended or disabled. You're going to be notified out there also that you could appeal the decision. Your account may just get unsuspended. Fine, you could start using your account or your Facebook page again. But if it doesn't, utilize the second method. Just do a search for, is your Facebook page banned or disabled? Can you unban it? Click on this link out here. My personal Facebook account is suspended or disabled. You get onto this page on which you could understand a lot of important things that you need to know. The first thing what you would understand out here is that you need to appeal this decision within 6 months or 180 days. Else your account would be disabled permanently and you're not going to get access to your account. Yes, there could be some exceptions wherein Facebook is going to go ahead and permanently disable an account immediately or within a month or 2. They're not going to wait for 180 days. Depending on your location, you're going to get a specific time frame. So I'm based out of India. We have 6 months to appeal the decision if our account is suspended. So in this method, what you need to do is communicate with customer support directly. So get onto this page, and once you're here, you just click on no in this feedback box. Click on this option. The solution doesn't work. Click on select, and then you put in a message out here telling them your account was banned for no reason, or your page was banned for no reason. You didn't do anything wrong. Give you an exception and all these things. Put in your Facebook email, your ID and everything out here and submit it. You're definitely going to get a response within 3 to 4 working days. And apart from these 2 methods, if you're not getting a response from Facebook, if you're not getting any help after like say 2 or 3 or 4 months, what you could do is do a search for Facebook business support and go to the first link. Okay, click on that option and scroll down under get help. Click on view more. Click on get support. You're going to be directed to this page on which you could communicate with a specific team with Facebook. You need to put in your asset ID. So you may have received it in an email, or you could also get to Meta, or you could also log into your Meta Business Suite account, and then you go to settings. And once you're here on the settings page, you could click on business info to get your portfolio ID. You could use this asset ID, or if you are requesting for a page, you could click on pages and you're going to see your ID out here. You could just copy the asset ID and get back to this page, paste it out here, click on next. And then you are going to get a form to fill up. Just follow on screen instructions and submit the appeal through this support form. You're definitely going to get a response from these guys. So I suggest you utilize any one of these techniques that I taught you in the video for today to appeal and try and see if you could get your account back. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.